My dear friends, this is CA Damodaram Pagadala, founder of My Career Point Professional Academy for CA and CMA. In this video, I would like to give you a better clarity on the entire CA course structure. The CA course is one of the professional courses highly recognized in commerce, and many of the students nowadays boldly taking up this professional course and seeing the success in their career. So this CA course is offered by an institute called ICAI, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. This is the official institute. It is there in Delhi, head office, and for South region, the regional office is there in Chennai. So anybody wish to do a chartered accountancy course, first they have to officially register with ICAI Institute. Through online you can do the registration. Okay. Now this course will take 4.5 years and it has 3 levels of examination. First one is called foundation, second one is called intermediate, and the last one is final. Though the course structure is 4.5 years, but this is divided into 2 styles. One is the theoretical academic approach, the other one is practical approach. So the academic approach, it will take 1.5 years. First 6 months you will be focused towards the first exam called foundation. After clearing that exam, the next 1 year you will be focused towards the second level called CA intermediate exam. If you clear these 2 levels, you will be allowed to register for a 3 years practical training. So many students will think 4.5 years we have to study like that. No, actually 1.5 year preparation with the books, academy, examination is more than enough for you to come out from the CA professional course. If you settle down with a 3 years practical training, then the rest of the course will come under your control. So here, when you can register for this professional course is basic qualification to register the CA course is 10th pass, because our real career will start after 10th standard. We need to choose whether we would like to get into the commerce stream or non-commerce stream. So after 10th standard, with the 10th mark sheet, you can register with ICAI Institute officially for a chartered accountancy course, so that you can preferably choose commerce group during 11th and 12th. But there is no restriction from the qualification, commerce or non-commerce. Any student from any stream, any background, any age category can join the CA course. But you are eligible to write the CA foundation course only after completing your 12th board examination. Okay, so you are eligible to register after 10th standard and you will immediately get the books. During 11th and 12th, you can focus on your board examination, and also simultaneously you can take CA coaching, where we conduct a special batch for 11th and 12th students separately. During 11th and 12th itself, we conduct a CA classes through online and a few schools, where inside the school we integrate. For example, Velamal group of schools, we are conducting CA foundation class inside the school. So we also, in common for every school students, through online on weekends basis, we are conducting a CA foundation coaching classes. So here, after 12th standard, you are eligible to write your CA foundation examination. So every year, twice the examinations are conducted, one during May and the November. So now ICAI Institute is allowing the 12th standard students immediately after your board exam, you are eligible to write the CA foundation exam if you take a proper coaching during 11th and 12th itself and you get prepared for the examination. Okay, but many students after 12th standard, they start the CA coaching and they will write the next November examination. Once you complete next 6 months this foundation examination, you are allowed to appear for the CA second level called intermediate examination, where you can have 8 subjects divided into 2 groups, 4 subjects and 4 subjects in each group. It is a choice of the students to write both the groups at a time, or they can appear separately group wise also. Okay. Here it requires 1 year attention to clear the intermediate level. So we will give you with the 25 topmost chartered accountants from the industry a full-fledged coaching for foundation and the intermediate level, and we will make you clear the 2 levels. Once you clear the 2 levels, you are called semi-qualified chartered accountant. Okay. This qualification is more than enough for you to get the job in the industry with a minimum 30 to 40,000 per month salary. But I don't want you to stop here. Continue with the professional course. After clearing intermediate level, you are allowed to join with a senior chartered accountant, where we will help you to find the best chartered accountants in India, where you need to work for 3 years practical training, gain more practical knowledge. You will interact with the many clients, many business industries. And also, during that practical training 3 years, the auditors are paying you a stipend of minimum 5,000 rupees. So per year you will earn minimum 60,000 rupees stipend, so that you don't have to think about how much I am going to spend for CA course, the cost of CA course, coaching fee, registration fee, book fee. You don't have to think about, because this course actually you can do at a free of cost, because this stipend will take care of everything. You don't have to depend on your family background. So during the 3 years of articleship training, you also focus for the final examination. Just like how you appeared for CA Intermediate 8 subjects 2 groups, similar to that you will appear for final examination also. Okay, so with a more practical knowledge, you can able to clear the final exam in one go in a very easy manner. And during this practical training and before doing the practical training, you are allowed to gain more computer knowledge also. That gives you more knowledge in the technology. Okay, so after qualifying the CA, and you are allowed, you are giving two options to you. Either you can go and work in the industry as an employee, where you can earn lakhs and lakhs money. You can choose the industry. There are a lot of campus placements, there are a lot of government opportunities, and you can travel to abroad. You can earn multiples of income what you are earning in India. The other side, you can start your own audit office, like how you work with a senior chartered accountant for 3 years. You will learn how to run an audit office, how to do a clients, how to do a practice. So you can set up your own audit office. You can join a partner with any other audit office. You can work in a big force, and you can start your own practice and learn lakhs rupees. So this is all about a chartered accountancy course. Similar to this, CMA course is also available, but it takes 3 years to complete. And instead of 3 years practical training, here 1.5 years more than enough. But compared to CMA, CA is always top #1 professional course, because it requires a huge scope in industry and for practice and for your career. This is the best professional course. So I request you to understand the professional course first of all. Don't worry about 4.5 years. It's a matter of 1.5 years studying, and the next 3 years you're enjoying your career with a practical training. Okay. So for this course, first you need to register with the CA Institute, ICA Institute, and we are here to help you for registration with ICA Institute and for the academic coaching classes for foundation, intermediate, final, and we will help you to find the 3 years practical training with the senior chartered accountant, and we'll also help you to find a better job after you qualify. So this is all my career point as a full package on a residential basis with a one-to-one attention with a limited students. Last 5 years successfully we are running this professional course. We are doing for CA and CMA on all the levels with the top 25 chartered accountants, cost and company sectors from various industry. We are doing this professional course. So if you understand the course structure clearly, you can choose the best professional course like CA and CMA, and you can help your family to settle down in a better way. All the best. Thank you.